Welcome back to Computer Class. Today's topic is Contextualized Online Search and Research Skills. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to use the Internet as a tool for credible research and information gathering to best achieve specific class objectives or address situational challenges. Have you Google searched the words Madonna and the Madonna? Do you think you will get the same search results? Click them to find out. In our life, we want to inform action, to prove a theory, and contribute to developing knowledge in a field or study. And what we do is research, which basically means is a process of systematic inquiry that entails collection of data, documentation of critical information, and analysis and interpretation of that data or information in accordance with suitable methodologies set by specific professional fields and academic disciplines. Want to know more about skills? Watch this video to find out.
Skills. Clearly this isn't one of mine. But we all have skills that employers want. In particular, they want employees who have the right mix of soft skills and hard skills. Hard skills are technical knowledge or training gained through any life experience in your career or education. For example, if you've worked in food service or retail, you might know how to use a point-of-sale system.
O si estudiaste algún otro idioma, podrías hablarlo perfectamente.
Soft skills, on the other hand, are abilities that can be applied in any job. Think people skills or social skills. These are skills like leadership, lunchtime, problem solving, and organization. Still not sure what skills to list? Here are 10 of the most common. Remember, employers pay special attention to the skills on your resume. Well, I think that's everything. Remember that the smallest moves are sometimes the smartest.
And to this day, we usually do our research on the Internet. That according to archived information of U.S. Department of Education, the Internet is a worldwide network of computer networks that connects university, government, commercial, and other computer in over 150 countries. And Internet is a system that has transformed communications and methods of business by allowing various computer networks around the world to interconnect. But how do we even do some research on the Internet? We use what we call search engine. It is known for being an answer machine. They scour billions of pieces of content and evaluate thousands of factors to determine which content is most likely to answer your query. It is basically an online tool that searches for results in its database based on the keywords submitted by the Internet user. The results are usually websites that semantically match with the keyword. It is done by discovering and cataloging all available content on the Internet by crawling and indexing, then ordering it by how well it matches the query in a process we refer to as ranking. With all that, online search is an entry into a search engine that yields both paid and organic results. The paid results are the ads that appear at the top and the bottom of the page, and they are marked accordingly. The organic results are the unmarked results that appear in between the ads. Here's some tips in conducting online research. First is to have a question in mind. Second, narrow it down. For example, if you were to look for Tom Sawyer, the animation series, you would better use the keywords Tom Sawyer animation, rather than just Tom Sawyer. Or, if you were to look for science research experiments, it would be better to include what branch of science it is or what type of study it is. Next, use advanced search. The best way to filter information you get from search engines is by using advanced search. Next to it is look for a credible source. Some wikis are not credible sources. This is because anyone can edit its content. When using wikis, look for the link of the citations or references at the reference section of a wiki page. Click the source of the information and see if it is credible. And lastly, give credit. If you are going to use the information from a source for educational purposes, give credit to the original author of the page of information. To know more about Google search tips and tricks, watch this video.
In this video, we're going to share our top 10 Google search techniques that will help you Google like a pro and find exactly what you're looking for in the minimum amount of time. Tip 1. How to search for an exact phrase or quote. If you want to identify the source of a quote or phrase, or exclude any website that doesn't include the exact phrase you're looking for, then simply place the search terms in quotation marks. If I copy and paste a line from Plato's Republic without quotation marks, you'll notice that Google actually recommends a different wording and provides over 4 million search results. If I add the quotation marks, we suddenly narrow that down to just 7 results and can now identify the correct translation. This is perfect for referencing. Tip 2. How to exclude a word from search results. If you want to prevent a certain word from appearing in search results, simply place a dash or minus symbol directly before the word you wish to omit. For example, we want to search for bass whilst preventing all bass fishing related searches from appearing. We can type bass competition followed by dash fish, dash fishing, and dash speaker to remove all those millions of unwanted search results that had nothing to do with playing bass guitar. Similarly, if you're interested in a news item, you can remove certain news sources entirely using this technique. Tip 3. How to search for a phrase or quote with missing words. Simply use an asterisk as a placeholder for all missing words. Just yesterday I was recommended a book on philosophy called something like A Little Something Something Philosophy, but when I entered it in Google, it doesn't find the correct book. Simply type a little asterisk asterisk philosophy and Google returns the correct results based on the placeholders. Tip 4. How to perform a reverse image search. Go to images.google.com and then click either the camera icon to upload an image from your computer, or you can find an image hosted online, right-click on it and choose Copy Image URL and paste it into the search field. The first page of results will display images that are similar or related to your original, and to find matching images, click Search by Image to display exact matches. This is a great way to find the origin of a specific image, as mousing over each thumbnail displays the URL of the page on which it appears. Tip 5. Search within a single website. One of Google's most useful features, especially for researchers, is its ability to search within a single website. To search within a single site, simply enter your search term followed by site:/URL. For example, Thomas Paine, site:/archive.org. This returns only those pages on archive.org relevant to the search query, where you can find his complete works as a PDF. Tip 6. How to search for similar websites. If you've found a website that you really like, you can type related:/URL and Google will do its best to find websites that are related to the one entered. Whilst this doesn't guarantee equally excellent content, it does save time finding similar sites. Tip 7. Search for a cached version of a website. Have you ever gone back to reread something posted on a website only to find that it's been removed or changed? Type cache: followed by the URL to find the last cached version of the site, which may contain material that has been deleted or updated since. The frequency with which the website is updated and its popularity will determine how often Google caches the website, but often the cached version can be weeks or even months older than the current version. Tip 8. Search for a specific file type. Google allows you to search for a particular file type by typing file type: followed by the file type extension, for example PDF, PPT, doc, or XLS. This is an incredibly useful tool if you want material published in any of these formats. By searching for a PDF over a regular website, you're likely to be able to find academic essays, reports, entire books, and much else of interest. Likewise, searching for a PPT file will yield hundreds of PowerPoint presentations that often contain the information in a distilled form from sources such as universities. Tip 9. How to only display results that include the search term in the page title. To perform a search that only returns the pages with your search term as their title, just type in title : then your search term. Tip 10. Search Google without using Google and protect your privacy. Lastly, if you want to use all the benefits of Google's excellent search results but are concerned about your privacy, then try startpage.com. Startpage delivers Google search results without recording your IP address or placing tracking cookies in your browser, as well as using SSL encryption to ensure your ISP can't record what you do online. If this tutorial's been helpful, please share it with others, thumbs up and subscribe for more epic tutorials. Thanks for watching and check our channel for more.
Good job everyone! Keep up the good work! Till next time!